What's going on, everyone? Jacob here. Joseph Q Barbecue coming at you with another video. Today we are cooking us a boneless plate of beef short ribs. So sit down, hang tight, everyone. We're cooking something good today. Alright guys, so we got this awesome short rib from our friends over at JT Farms. They're out here in Ellington, Connecticut. Awesome guys. You can buy full cows from them, half cows, whatever. Look them up. Removed from the bone already. They got a little bit of hard fat still on top. We're gonna trim a little of this down. What I did is I got a nice little fillet knife here, or boning knife. And I'm just going to look for the hard pieces of fat right here and just trim those off. That's all nice. That's going to render down. Got some here. Now what you can do is you can also kind of give your meat a little bit of flex and then run your knife right in there just to take off the hard pieces. Anything that's on the edge is kind of hanging over, just gonna burn. Might as well just cut that right off. What I'm gonna use is just some Worcestershire sauce. Get a good, nice coating of Worcestershire in there, and then we're gonna take our beef rub. We're going to sprinkle this all over. Now, if you don't have a favorite beef rub already, you can just mix equal parts of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I like to use a thick granule of black pepper. It's going to give it a good texture on the outside. And, you know, beef and black pepper just goes really well. Same thing on the other side. And you can go very generous on your seasoning. As this cut of meat is pretty thick. So it can definitely take a lot. Your sides as well. Alright, there you have it. Using Jealous Devil charcoal today. Only the finest charcoal you could possibly use. Got some cherry wood in there as well. And I'm gonna put this down with a thicker side. Alright, let's have a look-see. Let's see how this beef rib looks. Oh man, look at that. Oh jeez. Alright, let's get this beef rib off. What we're just gonna wrap this in oil. Right. Right. What we're gonna do here, pull up these sides. Now, got a little bit of beef broth, and what I also added to this was a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it to the bottom here. I'm not actually going to pour it over the rib itself because that will wash some of the rub away possibly. And really, I just want the liquid to steam the rib itself and add more moisture. And of course, some more beefy flavor as well. All right, everyone, so The rib's been going for about 5.5 hours, almost 6 hours now, and we are going to check for probe tenderness. Internal temperature of the rib is at about 202 to 203. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to expose a little bit of it there, and then take your temperature probe and just see if it'll cleanly poke through, which it does, with little or no effort. So this is now done. What you can do at this point is you can wrap it, or I noticed my charcoal is pretty much almost empty here, so still giving off a little bit of radiant heat. It's still in the 200-degree range, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let the charcoal die out, keep an eye on it. Once it gets around the not so good holding range, we can take the rib out. But otherwise, it's not doing any more harm right now. Ooh, let's take a look at that. Let's take a cut right here. Look at that. Oof. All right, let's take a slice here. Absolutely. All right, so let's go ahead and give a try to this right here. Oh my gosh, man. This is absolutely incredible, guys. Well, so tender. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Get yourself some of this at home. If you liked the video today, make sure you like, subscribe. And as always, happy smoking, everyone.